Good morning, students. Myself Rashmi Shah, your SS teacher, right? Now, today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Early States of Political System in India. Now, that we are going to start today, that is how the people of earlier were ruling over India, how they started ruling in India, from what things we came to know about the political system in India. Now here they have given, we get information about the political system and the institutions from the Vedas, epic and Buddhist text. Means what? हमको इनकी information कहाँ से मिलती है? We get information from lots of Vedas. There are Vedas, epics, the books written, and the Buddhist text. That is the things which were written in the Buddhist text. फ्रॉम देयर उनकी जो बुक्स थी बुद्धिस्ट की, जो बुद्धिज़्म जो फॉलो करते थे उनकी जो बुक थी, उसमें से हमको पता चला कि व्हाट वाज द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इन इंडिया. इन द ऋग वैदिक पीरियड और द वैदिक पीरियड, द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टेटहुड वाज सिमिलर दैट ऑफ कबीला रूल. नाउ हियर इन वैदिक, थ्रू वैदिक पीरियड वी केम टू नो दैट द स्टेट वाज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ कबीला रूल. द हेड ऑफ दैट द रूल, द हेड ऑफ दैट स्टेट और वी कैन से दैट प्लेस वॉज नोन एज राजन्य. उसके हेड को राजन्य कहा जाता था. हु वॉज टू बी इलेक्टेड, उसको इलेक्ट किया जाता है. जैसे अभी इलेक्शन होते हैं, हम लोग इलेक्ट करते हैं लोगों को, गवर्नमेंट पीपल्स भी इलेक्ट देम. सो उसका भी इलेक्शन वहाँ पे भी हुआ किया जाता था बाय द पीपल. दे इलेक्ट द लीडर एंड दैट वॉज नोन एज राजन्य. पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक सभा एंड समिति एग्जिस्टेड. सभा एंड समिति. सभा मीन्स वॉट? A place where meeting or gathering of people is going on. That is, we can say one kind of parliament house. That is called a sabha or a samiti. That is the thing. Samiti, I can say a committee. Samiti यानी committee उसको भी कहा जाता है. Now this committee were also called as विश. इसको विश भी कहा जाता है. सभा एंड समिति उसको विश भी कहा जाता है. Afterwards, different types of political system were implemented in India. That is, right now we have seen here that early state में कौन से political system चल रहे थे, लेकिन अभी जब modern age आया तो कितने state, कितना system में change आया है. In our political issues, so many changes have come in our political system. Janpad. About 1000 BC, the early states of different clans were established in Punjab and Ganga river area. That is 1000 years ago. यहाँ पे एक स्टेट फॉलो किया जाता था बाय डिफरेंट क्लान्स. क्लान्स यानी क्या? अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. क्लान्स मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, उसको कहा जाता था क्लान. जहाँ पे जो रहते थे लोग पंजाब में और वी कैन से नियर द रिवर गंगा. दे वर कॉल्ड द जनपद्स. नाउ द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल वर कॉल्ड द जनपद्स. Janpad was the area or a place of a person habited. Habited यानी where the people live, they enjoy their life. Now that particular place where the people live, do their day-to-day work, that thing is called a Janpad. That area is called a Janpad. The word Janpad is used in the sense of state. Janpad was used in the word sense of state. उसको state भी कहा जाता था. Janpad was a state system that was very unique फॉर्म फ्रॉम द क्लान सोसाइटी ऑफ द ऋग वैदिक एज. एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट, इट वॉज अ वेरी डिफरेंट और वी कैन से अ यूनिक फॉर्म था. जनपद वॉज अ यूनिक फॉर्म और वी कैन से अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ ऋग वेदा. दैट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है जो उन्होंने फॉर्म किया था. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड, इट वॉज अ वेरी यूनिक, अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म from the clan society. Clan society, that is a group of people. From the group of people, Janpad was a very different, we can say, a state. It includes the states of different groups like Kuru and Panchal. Now जो groups थे वहाँ पे तो उनको नाम दिया गया था भाई, दिस पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल तो उनको कुरु कहा जाता था. कुछ पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल ऑफ 100 ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल और 50 ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल तो उसको पंचाल भी कहा जाता था. सो दैट वाज द नेम गिवन और इसमें से उन्होंने कहा दैट इंक्लूड्स द डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स लाइक कुरु एंड पंचाल. नाउ द महाजनपद्स. Around 6th century, about 16 Mahajanpads have been found in India. Some of these Mahajanpads were republics while some were monarchy type of state. These Mahajanpads are outlined in the following table. Now 16 Mahajanpads, जैसे मैंने बोला था, there were Janpads. Janpads means a group of people, right? That is called a group of people. Then this group of people form a state. उन्होंने state form किया. Now out of these Janpads, many Janpads have become more powerful. वो बहुत पावरफुल हो गए और उसमें से 16 जो जनपद थे वो महाजनपद हो गए. दैट इज़ they converted into the Mahajanpad, which were the 16 states which were converted into Mahajanpad, or these are the people, we can say the state which were more powerful during the ancient time. During the ancient time, these Mahajanpads were very powerful. Now some were republic, that is we can say the people were elected, or we can say electing the king. The people were electing the king to handle that महाजनपद और that particular state. और कुछ महाजनपद ऐसे थे जहाँ पे सिर्फ राजा का ही चलता था, जो राजा था उसके नाम पे ही सब कुछ, तो कुछ ऐसे भी स्टेट्स थे. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ महाजनपद. नाउ हियर दे हैव गिवन द 16 महाजनपद्स विद देयर कैपिटल एंड द करंट लोकेशन. कहाँ पे है? नाउ दे हैव गिवन अंगा विच कैपिटल इज चंपा एंड राइट नाउ इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन बिहार, ईस्ट बिहार में. वाजी विच कैपिटल इज वैशाली and its location is North Bihar. Like this they have given you 16 Mahajanpads जो बहुत ही powerful थे. In the map also they are showing major Janpads and Mahajanpads and the cities. They are showing you here about the major Mahajanpads. See Mahajanpads के भी यहाँ पे नाम दिए, that is Magad. Now Magad was the most powerful Mahajanpad. मगध एक बहुत ही powerful Mahajanpad था. बदसा, देन ईयर वी कैन से कुरु, बहुत सारे जो दिए हैं मैप में, दिस आर द महाजनपद्स और वी कैन से द जनपद्स. मेजर महाजनपद्स एंड जनपद्स दे हैव गिवन इन दिस मैप. नेक्स्ट इज मोनार्ची, दैट इज स्टेट सिस्टम. अभी मैंने बोला था द स्टेट इन विच द किंग वॉज चीफ वॉज कॉल्ड द मोनार्ची. किंग हु इज द लीडर, दैट इज साम्राज्य, वी कैन से अ टोटल साम्राज्य. ही इज द लीडर हु स्टेट इज रन बाय हिज नेम. Among the Mahajanpads of this time, there was competition for power. यानी जो 16 Mahajanpads थे, there were 16 Mahajanpads. There was a competition of power. Power that is a strongness, और we can say शक्ति जिसके बहुत ज़्यादा थी, बहुत ज़्यादा पावर था. That is called a power. That competition was going on between them. जो 16 महाजनपद थे उसमें ये कंपटीशन चल जाता था, दैट हु वाज मोर पावरफुल. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वी कंसिडर 4 पावरफुल स्टेट. नाउ देयर वर 4 पावरफुल स्टेट. फर्स्ट इज मगध, सेकेंड इज कोशाल, थर्ड इज वत्स एंड फोर्थ इज अवंती. नाउ दिस आर द 4 स्टेट विच वर मोर पावरफुल, और मोर पावरफुल स्टेट they were known as the Mahajanpads, among which Magad became the most famous powerful state. उसमें से इन चारों में से मगध बहुत ही पावरफुल स्टेट कहा जाता था. Now Magad at the time of Buddha in monarchy state system, Magad became power Mahajanpad. Their powerful dynasty ruled over Magad. There 3 powerful dynasty rules over Magad. Now Magad at the time of Buddha, when the people of Buddha were there, at the time of Buddhism, when the people were there, we can say at the time of Buddhism, the Magad was there, which was established. It was a monarchy state, that was the king was the leader, and it became more powerful. 3 dynasties were there which were ruling over Magad, and they were powerful dynasty. First dynasty they have given here is Haryanka dynasty, which was founded by Bimbisar. He was the founder of Haryanka dynasty, that is Bimbisar, he was the founder. The headquarter of Magad was Rajgiri, that is capital. Magad का capital था Rajgiri, which was situated on the bank of river Ganga and the sun. जो situated था bank of river Ganga और sun के. After him, his son sat on the throne, that is after Bimbisar, who was the founder of Haryanka dynasty, उसका बेटा that is Agatशत्रु. Now he was the person who came into the power. That is after his father he came to the throne. वो बैठा और उसने अपना पावर बहुत ही अच्छे से रूल किया. He ruled very nicely. He has a very great power and he made पाटलिपुत्र, that is present पटना. अभी प्रेजेंट उसको हम लोग पटना से जानते हैं. He made पाटलिपुत्र his capital. He made, that is at the time of his father, the capital was, we can say, मगध का capital था. क्या देखा था हमने मगध का capital? राजगिरी. But when his son sat on the throne, तो उसने अपना कैपिटल बनाया पटना को, दैट इज पाटलिपुत्र को, राइट. ही मेड हिज कैपिटल पटना. ही फाउट मैनी वॉर विथ वाजी एंड डिफीटेड लिच्छावी. उसने वाजी के साथ भी फॉट किया, डिफीटेड लिच्छावी ऑल्सो. एंड ही बिकेम मोर पावरफुल एंड एक्सटेंडेड मगध अ लॉट. ही एक्सटेंडेड द एम्पायर ऑफ मगध वेरी नाइसली. सेकेंड डायनेस्टी दे हैव गिवन हियर इज ऑफ द नाग डायनेस्टी. Now Nag dynasty came to power after Haryanka, that is after Haryanka dynasty, Nag dynasty came into power, which include the king named Shishunag. Now he was the person who was ruling there, that is Shishunag, who was ruling Nag dynasty, who was associated with the Buddhism religion. वो Buddhism religion को follow करता था and he was ruling over Nag dynasty, which came into existence after the Haryankan dynasty. And the third dynasty is the Nanda dynasty. Now Nanda dynasty was established by Mahapadmanand, who was the most powerful ruler. He was the most powerful first Indian emperor who was ruling over the Nanda dynasty at the time of Alexander. When Alexander came to India, Mahapadmanand was ruling over India. He was the most powerful first Indian emperor. He was considered the first Indian emperor, most powerful emperor also, who was there ruling over Magad. At the time of Alexander invention of India, Magad was ruled by the king named Dhananand of Nanda dynasty. जब अलेक्जेंडर इंडिया में आया था तब महापद्मानंद मगध को रूल कर रहे थे और नाम दिया गया था उनको धनानंद ऑफ नंद डायनेस्टी. उनको नाम दिया गया था धनानंद ऑफ नंद डायनेस्टी. ही वॉज द मोस्ट पावरफुल रूलर एंड द फर्स्ट इंडियन एम्परर एट द टाइम व्हेन द अलेक्जेंडर केम टू इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज रिपब्लिक. नाउ व्हाट इज रिपब्लिक? A republic is a state directly or indirectly ruled by a head who is elected by the people. Directly or indirectly, ऐसा स्टेट जो रूल किया जाता था बाय द हेड, जिसको हम लोग सिलेक्ट करते थे. इट वॉज सिलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. इलेक्शन थ्रू हम लोग सिलेक्ट करते थे और जो इलेक्ट किया जाता था हमसे वही राजा बनता था. ही वॉज द पर्सन हु वॉज रूलिंग डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली बाय अस ओनली, सिलेक्टेड बाय अस. The republic was a significant feature of the ancient state and the system of government. It was the most important significant feature. एक बहुत important feature था ancient state and system of governance का republic. The common meaning of Gana is mass. Gana का meaning क्या है? That is mass, a group of people. Mass यानी a group of people. A state run by more than one member can be called a republic. The state which is run by more than one person, एक से ज़्यादा अगर कोई भी स्टेट रन किया जाता है तो उसको रिपब्लिक कहा जाता है. At this time, there were some states in which the king was chosen by the people. Some of the states ऐसे थे जहाँ पे king, that is राजा, he was chosen by the people. People उसको elect करते थे. जो लोग थे उस स्टेट के, they were electing the person as a king. So there were some states where people were given the right to elect their king. Such states were called republic. उन स्टेट को कहा जाता था रिपब्लिक. There were some republics of Lichavi, of Vaishali, Shakayas of Kapilvastu, Vedi of Mithali, Mala of Kushinagar, etc. Now in such a system of affair, each member was given the status of a king. Now these are the places where we can say the republic state, like where the people were given a chance to elect the king for their state. Now these are the places they have given some of the state, like Lichavi of Vaishali, Shakaya of Kapilvastu, Vedi of Mithali, Mala of Kushinara. These are the places where the people were given a right to elect the king. उनको एक राइट दिया गया था कि वो राजा को चूज़ कर सकते, उसको इलेक्ट कर सके, दैट इज़ बाय गिविंग द वोट्स. So that was going on. Now here they have given you in the pink box, know this. Gana, what is the meaning of Gana? A group of many members, which is we can say the organization or a group. मैंने अभी बताया that is many people were there, that is called Gana. Sangh means organization or then an assembly where these people gather and have a meeting, that is called Sangh. That we see many of the people go to इन संघ में वो लोग जाते हैं कुछ टेम्पल्स में या कुछ फंक्शन होता है रिलीजियस, कुछ बाधाएं जो होती है, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड संघ, साथ में जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव लर्न टुडे अबाउट द अर्ली स्टेट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इन इंडिया. आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज़ जनपद एंड महाजनपद. जनपद एक ग्रुप था लोगों का जिसमें से जनपद बहुत सारे बने और फिर उन जनपद में से कुछ स्टेट ऐसे हुए जो महाजनपद हो गए. महाजनपद यानी मोर पावरफुल स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हो गए. देयर वर 16 महाजनपद. स्मॉल ग्रुप दैट इज़ 100 पीपल, 200 पीपल ऑफ ग्रुप विच मेक अ क्लान. क्लान यानी अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, 100 ग्रुप, 100 पर्सन और 200 पीपल, जिसको एक स्टेट उन्होंने बना दिया था. सो देयर वर मैनी स्टेट्स of janpads and according to that 16 were the Mahajanpads. From the Janpads they were converted into the Mahajanpad and they were the most powerful Mahajanpad. और उसमें से कुछ थे, the most powerful Mahajanpad was Magad. Magad was the most powerful Mahajanpad. So today we have learned this thing. I am stopping here. In the next session I will make you understand the next thing about Vaishali Vaji state and the social life, or we can say the state administration of the republic state. So that we will learn in our next topic, or we can say in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Okay, take care.